Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators available are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, remainder, exponent. In the next program, I am going to cover comparison operators. Comparison operators available are equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. In the next program, I am going to cover compound operators. Compound operators available are compound addition, compound subtraction, compound multiplication, compound division, compound floor division, compound remainder, compound exponent. In the next program, I am going to cover bitwise operators. Bitwise operators available are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise complement, bitwise shift left, bitwise shift right. In the next program, I am going to cover logical operators. Logical operators available are logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.